AGRT-1 Portable Dual Optical Infrared UAV. Lightweight and portable, fast folding. Take off quietly, stealthily. 18 ms speed, quickly reach the target point. 36 minutes long battery life. Equipped with dual light infrared camera, thermal imaging and visible light fast switching, it can relies image recognition and classification and target tracking and locking. A variety of infrared display modes, force color, white, heat, iron, red to meet different needs. 16x digital zoom for insight into ground targets, automatic recognition of multiple targets, tracking and recognition more clearly. 3-axis stabilization head, make the picture more stable. High altitude thermal imaging, temperature measurement, night target recognition is also clearly visible. Regional temperature measurement, freely define the temperature measurement area and alarm temperature range. 3. Avoid obstacles with binocular vision. To ensure flight safety, with a large 6-inch screen and high brightness remote control, the task is clearly visible. Autonomous route flight features free hands for accurate flight. This is the T1 Portable Dual Light Infrared Drone that gives you a comprehensive view of the sky at all times.